Hello, welcome again. I'm going to show you how to create a new document from the file menu. In our last class, we talked about the features of Microsoft Word. We talked about the menus, the home menu, the insert menu, design, layout, reference, mailing, review, and view. So we are going to take on the file menu, and from the file menu, we'll talk about the new. The new command is used to create a new document. For the purpose of this class, we are going to talk about how to create a new blank document, that is, creating a document from the scratch. So to create a new blank document, click on the file menu, click on new, and click on blank document. It opens up a blank document, that is, a document without a content. Now we have succeeded in creating a new blank document. At this point, you can start typing whatsoever thing you like. At this point, this is a fresh page, like creating a new document. So in this class, we learned how to create a new document. Once again, to create a new document, you click on the file menu, click on new, and you click on blank document. It creates a blank document for you. You see here we have document 4. How many documents have we created so far? We have document 1, document 2, document 3, and the very last one, document 4. Thank you. Please click the like button and subscribe.